Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Moonton account. Make sure you use the same device or IP you normally use because systems flag unfamiliar access. Once signed in, go directly to Account Center or Profile Account Security. You should already have your current recovery email or phone at hand. Moonton will send a code. While you're here, enable two-factor authentication if not active, because it reduces lockouts and makes the later email change smoother and safer. Next, navigate to Security or Recovery Settings and choose Change Recovery Email. This is where the system verifies you own both accounts. Enter your new email address and request the verification code. Moonton may send that code to your old recovery email or phone, so check both. Once you receive the code, type it into the form and follow prompts to confirm identity. Make sure to read any warning about linked services, because changing recovery info can affect account recovery and logins elsewhere. Finally, confirm and save the new recovery email, then log out and log back in to verify the change took effect. This completes the swap. Make sure you update any linked social logins or third-party services that use your Moonton recovery email and record the new address in a secure password manager. If the verification code doesn't arrive, check your spam folder. Wait 5 to 10 minutes, request a resend, and only contact Moonton support if multiple attempts fail. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves delivery issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.